Are your apps not working because of the QMSL MSVC10R DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Before we begin the manual steps for QMSL MSVC10R, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This DLL file is the Qualcomm Mobile Software Library. It is used by diagnostic tools to communicate with Qualcomm-based mobile hardware, facilitating firmware updates and hardware testing on PC. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This error commonly appears when specific hardware utility files are missing or corrupted in the app folder. Reinstall the official version of hardware utility to repair the application and replace the QMSL MSVC10R DLL dependency. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the QMSL MSVC10R. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Be aware that manual fixes for the QMSL MSVC10R DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the QMSL MSVC10R environment. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for the QMSL MSVC10R today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support